Hey, what's up everyone? And I'm just making this quick video. I just picked up my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and OtterBox Defender case. They both just came in the mail today, so I'm really excited to get these open and start using them. Okay, I got everything set up, and excuse the mess in my car. So I have my old fast charger that'll be taken to work for the Galaxy Note 9. And in my car, that cable's for my iPhone. I have my fast charger. Let me pull that out and show it to you. For my Note 9, this is the Samsung dual port adaptive fast charging for the car. Okay, get that back in. So yeah, I'm just making this quick video that, let you all know I got the phone in. And if you have any questions, comments, or anything, you want to know, or anything you want me to cover or go over. Actually, that's not a good image right there. Just the front of the box. Just leave me a question down below if you have any questions about the phone, about the case, anything in particular you want to know, anything at all. Just drop me a note, email, Twitter, whatever. And, a lot of videos are going to be coming about this phone and the case. In the next day or so, I'll be putting up a lot of videos. But like I said, in the meantime, if there's any questions you have, comments, concerns about either item or anything, or even the car charger, just ask away. All right. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope if you ordered yours that you either got it today or get it really soon. I'm really excited to be trying this out. This Note 9 is going to become my daily driver and take the place of the iPhone, and I'm going to give you a 100% honest view of how that really goes, what I like, what I don't like. So stay tuned. All right. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll talk with y'all later.